Hello everyone, let's take a look at LeetCode 154, find minimum in rotated sorted array 2. It's a follow-up of 153. So if you haven't practiced 153, you should practice that first, since the solutions are very similar. Okay, so the problem is given us a rotated sorted array. We need to find the minimum element, and there may be some duplicate elements. For example, in the first example, nums is 135. So the minimum element is 1. In the second example, nums is 2201, so the answer is 0. Okay, let's first recall the 153. Assuming all the elements in these nums are unique elements, so how can we use binary search to solve it? Okay, first of all, there are in general two cases. So first case is like this. The second case is like this. So this is a mid number. Like in the first case, we know that the mid number is smaller than the left or the right. In the second example, the mid number is greater than the left or the right element. So in this case, minimum element is in the left part, including mid number. Since mid number may be the minimum element, so we just set right to mid. In this example, we know we need to search right, excluding mid, since mid is impossibly be the minimum element. So we just set left to mid plus 1. Okay, let's take a look. Does this code work? Assuming we have array 1 and 2, we know I is 0, j is 1, mid is 0. Then we are comparing nums 0 with nums 0. So we will go to else branch, I becomes 1. Finally, we will return nums 1, which is 2. But we know 1 is our answer. So what's wrong here? We will skip 1. So we should compare with right. So in this case, mid is 0, I is 1. So we're comparing the right number. And we will return the correct answer here. Okay, so the corrected version is here. We should compare nums mid with nums 3. Okay, let's say if we have duplicate elements, like what's wrong if we're using this algorithm? Assuming we have the two examples, like there's long flat line, then we have an increase here, then another flat line. Okay, in this case, mid is same as left and is same as right. Let's take a look at another example. Okay, I just corrected my array. Okay, let's take a look. So for this example, array is 712777777. So look like this. And we know in this case, mid is also same as left and same as right. So for the both cases, mid is same as left and same as right. But in the first case, the minimum left and the minimum element is on the right side. For second example, it's on the left side. So in this case, we don't know how to proceed. We cannot drop half of the elements since both ways are possible, right? So in this situation, what we can do is very limited, but we know that since mid is same as right, so we can just discard right. Since even if the right element is the minimum element, we still have the mid one. So in this case, we just move right by 1. Okay, that's the solution. Thanks. See you next time.